The first time we heard it, we thought it was a part of the drill. A low static hum that didn't match the usual alarm pitch. Fire drills at Whitlock High happen every month like clockwork. But this one started at 2:47 p.m. 3 minutes, off schedule. The alarm didn't blare, it whispered. A faint rhythmic tone like breathing through static. We filed out of class as usual, lining up by the fence, half joking, half bored. Then someone pointed to the third-floor science wing. The hallway sprinklers were dripping just slightly, but there was no fire. The building wasn't hot. In fact, the temperature dropped by almost 6 degrees in under a minute. That's when we saw the silhouette, thin, tall, moving behind the glass of the closed lab door. It didn't trigger any motion sensors. It didn't respond to the teacher banging on the window. But when the alarm cut out mid-tone, it turned. That night, the janitor refused to lock up the third floor. Said the pipes had been making wet, choking sounds. The next morning, they found water stains on the inside of the fire alarm speakers, like something was leaking out of them. No one could explain it. No one wanted to. But the alarms have gone off 4 more times since, always at the exact same minute, 2:47 p.m., and always followed by that sound like an exhale through teeth, broadcast through the halls. If you ever hear it, don't evacuate. Not right away. Look at the sprinkler above your head. If it drips, stay where you are. If it steams, get under your desk and plug your ears. That sound carries something inside it. Something that doesn't like to be heard. A student named Mia didn't follow the rule. She left the classroom early last time before the teacher gave the all clear. They found her backpack half submerged in the janitor's mop sink. Her phone played the last alarm on loop, except the voice on it wasn't synthetic. It was hers, whispering, "Stay inside." There's a reason these drills are always announced last minute. They're not tests, they're containment attempts. Whatever is inside the fire system uses the alarms to move room to room. It follows the sound, it hides in the pipes. It waits for the walkie-talkies to crackle or the intercom to click. If you hear a second alarm after the first has ended, hold your breath. Don't blink, don't speak. If the sprinkler turns toward you like an eye, it's already chosen you.